IFT Online Media would like to share with you a tutorial lesson concerning about the use of Microsoft Word Office 2007. From the previous tutorial, we learned about how to create document, but today we are going to continue with how to insert watermark borders, page borders to the document. So let us watch. So let us start with watermark. As you can see, this is our document, and we have already created the document. So what we are going to do, we are going to insert watermark. We are going to start with watermark. So there are various features over here. So what we are going to choose, we are going to insert watermark. This is our watermark, as you can see. So, and this is your document. So in order to affect the document, click watermark. And there are so many features, there are so many templates. As you can see here, these are the templates of watermark. You can choose whatever you like. You can choose confidential 2, confidential 1. You can choose don't copy, or wherever, or you can customize. You can write what you would like to insert over there. You can put a watermark. You can use picture to insert a watermark, or you cannot use a picture to insert a watermark. You can use a text. So you can use, there is 3 options: no watermark, picture watermark, and text watermark. So you can choose wherever. So before proceeding with this, let's see on the given templates how it look like. For example, we are going to choose these templates at the example, and how it appears in the document. This is how it appears to the document. You can see how it looks like. This is confidential, and it disappears to the background of the document, and it's already been inserted. So once you're going to look at it, it appears as confidential. So this document, it is confidential. So we used the example from the template that we have given. So we are going to remove it, and we are going to input. We are going to use those options by customizing the watermark. So there is picture watermark and text watermark. What we are going to choose for today, I'm going to teach you how to insert the text watermark. Color, how it looks, and text. Either it's going to appear as a diagonal or horizontal. So I'm going to use diagonal, and I'm going to apply to it. As you can see, this is how it appears. It's how it looks like. Amazing. You see how it looks? So this is how to insert a watermark, and you are going to choose the option on customizing it. As you can see here, how it appears. This is the text watermark. I've inserted it to the document. So once I click paste here, paste for instance, you can see how it appears to the see, this is how it looks like. So this is a good tutorial lessons from IFT Online Media, and today we have started with Watermark. So I'm going to skip to another thing, that is borders. Borders is very simple. Apart from Watermark, you can put borders. So I would like to show you how to insert borders to the document. For example, this document we have already inserted Watermark, and we are going to insert borders at the same time. You can see how it looks. You go to the page layout and you're going to choose a page border. This is page color. So even though I will teach you how to put page color, you can see how it looks. I can choose, maybe I want to my page to color. See how it looks. Amazing. Look good. This is how to use the page border. Okay. I want to save it, but right now. So I'm going to click page layout, and I'm going to choose page border. So here there are three options. You can choose page borders, or shading. Let's start with page border. Let me choose, I like to go. I need to appear like this. This is style. Okay, and I'm going to choose color, automatic color, and width 3. Okay, I'm going to affect the whole document. There are some variants you can choose. You can use the section, maybe the first page. You can select the first page and you can affect the first page if there are several pages. But today I have only a single page, so I would like to affect the selected page. As you can see, how it appears. Also, I'm going to insert a page layout. I'm going to find it over here. As you can see, this is kind of like the paragraph. I can put here the paragraph whatever I like. So this is the end of our tutorial. For more tutorials, just like and subscribe to our channel so as we can get more tutorials.